4 of the SES2A, talking with you about the first law of thermodynamics. But first, let us know what is the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with the energy and work of a system. And the first law of thermodynamics stated that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can change forms and is also known as the law of energy conservation. Despite the appearance that energy is created and destroyed to meet our needs and the amount of energy and the world economy. The most important and fundamental component of a life is the idea of energy. Throughout a normal day, a person uses energy in a variety of ways to get by. Whether driving a car or cooking, and energy consumption is inevitable. The first law of thermodynamics has a numerous application in a wide range in the field of industries. The first law of thermodynamics used the number of contexts, including energy production and consumption, refrigeration and air conditioning, heat transfer, chemical reaction, and gas thermodynamics, and the biological system. Based on the given problem, you may be asking what is the relationship between the heat and work and thermal energy. According to the first law of thermodynamics, the heat added to the system less the work performed is the formula for changing a system and thermal energy, according to the first law of thermodynamics.
Adding, for instance, runner builds up kinetic energy that it starts in the feet and legs, and it's generally converted to heat. That is why runners start to feel hot when they are running or exercising. So in running, the energy processes when it moves, it's converted to heat energy. In a walking human, one leg swings forward while other legs both stay planted on the ground. When walking to natural speed, the swinging leg uses muscles force move forward and immediately relaxes, allowing the force of gravity to move it to the ground. But also muscles do some work when you start to get you up to walking speed. So that's why walking connected at the first law of thermodynamics, but is also principle of energy, heat, and work to modify the thermodynamics.
Eating is something we do every single day, and this is a prime example of the first law of thermodynamics. Food provides chemical energy in the form of calories, and when we eat, our bodies convert this chemical energy into thermal or kinetic energy, which is what allows to move and perform.
When you leave an ice cube out in the open, you will notice it melting and converting to water in just a few minutes. This phenomenon happens because the ice absorbs the heat from the surrounding air, thereby cooling the air and changing the ice to water.